Australia, a culture-rich nation nourished by an ever-changing economy. Our schools, hospitals, roads and defence force reflect every taxpayer's contribution towards a sustainable Australia. However, a slow in economic growth is projected, and this is partly due to our ageing population and declining workforce participation rates. Our Australian taxation system must adapt with the changes in the market to enhance our global position by encouraging investment, consumption and savings. To address Australia's over-reliance on income taxes, a shift of focus towards consumption taxes should be made through a reform on GST. Not only is Australia's yearly consumption increasing by 2.6% each year, Australia's rate of GST is among the lowest in the democratic countries. By adjusting the rate and base of GST, the additional GST revenue would allow for the removal of inefficient taxes that hinder sustainable growth. There are 125 separate taxes, but only 10 of these collect almost 90% of the tax revenue. In order for our economy to adapt with the increase in consumption spending, Australia must abolish outdated taxes such as stamp duty and payroll tax and begin refining our tax system. In addition to GST reform decisions, Australia also faces issues with multinational companies participating in profit diversion and tax avoidance. The ATO has estimated $60 billion per year is diverted by multi-million-dollar companies to offshore tax havens for their lower tax rates. Though large corporations such as Apple, Microsoft and Google are not breaching any tax legislation, their actions undeniably lack morality. They are depriving Australian consumers of precious tax dollars that could be used in stabilising our economy. Australia must consider preventative techniques to reduce untaxed profits exiting Australia, either by strengthening our current legislation or following in the UK's footsteps and introducing our own diverted profits tax. Reducing tax avoidance will create additional revenue to achieve Australia's goal of creating a sustainable economy. Through increasing GST and reducing acts of profit diversion, Australia can stabilise our tax system to promote long-term sustainability and growth. Raising the rate of GST and removing inefficient taxes promotes sustainable development through a more efficient tax structure. Reforms to reduce tax avoidance will ensure that the benefits of Australian source profits flow to the public through tax revenue. Combining both of these tax reform opportunities will create a better tax system for a sustainable Australia.